If I say my latitude and longitude is 20 degree and 70 degree, that can't be anywhere, right? Because that 20 degree and 70 degree can be at 4 different locations. Let me show you on the board. This is my equator and this is my prime meridian. 20 degree and 70 degree can be all these places, 20 degree and 70 degree, 20 and 70. So 20 degree and 70 degree can be at 4 different locations. So how do we differentiate it? We differentiate the latitude with northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So we write 20 degree north, 20 degree north, and this is 20 degree south and 20 degree south. But what about the longitude? The longitude is, this is the eastern half and this is the western half from the prime meridian. So this 70 is 70 degree east and this 70 is 70 degree west. Similarly, this is 70 degree west and this is 70 degree east. So now I know that where I am, the 20 degree and 70 degree can be at 4 different places, but when we say that it is on the north and east, then I know where it is. But in mathematics, we cannot use northeast or northwest or southeast or southwest. So there has to be some mathematical convention to say where we are. Let me quickly rub it off and show you what I mean. You see, this is your prime meridian and this is your equator, right? And it divides the earth into 4 main quadrants. This is your quadrant 1. Here everything will be plus. So mathematically this is plus 20 and plus 70. If we go to this quadrant, then this is minus 20 because this is below the equator and plus 70. Okay, if I come here, this is plus 20 and minus 70, and similarly here minus 20 and minus 70. Now mathematically I can define my coordinate system. So what do we see? We see that our latitude coordinate above the equator is positive and below the equator is negative, and our longitude east of the prime meridian is positive and west of the prime meridian is negative. Now with this mathematical equation we can solve our UTM zone problem. So now how to find your UTM zone? It's easy, simple formula. Longitude plus 180 divided by 6, and then no matter whatever is your decimal points or remainder, you always round up to the next big digit, and that way you will get your UTM zone. So let's see how it works. So suppose I am on the east part of the prime meridian and my longitude is 70 degree east. So this will be plus. So 70 plus 180 is equal to 250 divided by 6, and we get 41.666, right? And I said you always have to round up. So this becomes 42. So my zone number is going to be 42 if my longitude is 70 degree east. Simple. Now what happens if my longitude is 70 degree west? How do I do that? So for 70 degree west, I have to write minus 70. Remember what I told you previously? We are now west of the prime meridian. So as per the quadrant rule, my longitude is going to be minus 70. plus 180 divided by 6 is equal to 110 divided by 6, and that comes to 18.33. So my zone number is going to be, if I have to round it up, 19. So 19 is going to be my zone number. This is as simple as that. If you learned something new, then give me a thumbs up and write down a comment below. If you want to support me, please join my channel as a member, or you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, be good and always be curious.